Life in temperate regions. Temperate regions extend in the mid-latitudes between 40 degree to 55 degree in both the northern and southern hemispheres. The climate here is moderate and grass forms the dominant vegetation cover. The temperate grasslands are called prairies in North America, pampas in South America, steppes in Eurasia, velds in South Africa, and downs in Australia. Prairies. These are located in Canada and the USA, lying between the foothills of Rocky Mountains in the west and the Great Lakes and Appalachian Highlands in the east. The region is generally flat, with certain portions having undulating terrain rising towards the west and south. In the USA, the area is drained by rivers Mississippi, Missouri, Ohio, and Dakota, and in Canada, it is drained by the river Saskatchewan and its tributaries. Climate, natural vegetation and wildlife, people. Climate. The winters are extremely cold, with temperature reaching up to minus 20 degrees Celsius, and the summers are warm with temperature rising above 20 degrees Celsius. The difference between day and prairie's night temperature is very high. The region experiences moderate annual rainfall around 50 centimeters, which occurs mainly in spring and summer season. There is snowfall in the winter season. In the absence of any natural barrier, strong warm winds blow down the eastern slopes of Rocky Mountains. Natural vegetation and wildlife. The vegetation here is restricted to grasses and scrubs. Trees such as willows, alders, and poplar are found near the river banks, shores of lakes, or on mountain slopes. The original grasslands have been converted into farmlands, as the soil here is fertile and can support crops like wheat, maize, potatoes, soya bean, cotton, and alfalfa. Where rainfall is low, short grasses grow, and such areas are suitable for cattle rearing. Large cattle farms are called ranches. People. Prairies not only are the most fertile farmlands in the world, they also have large mineral deposits. The main occupation of the people is agriculture, dairy farming, and mining. Agriculture. USA and Canada are the two countries located in the prairies. Scientific farming techniques like crop rotation, contour plowing, and strip farming are practiced here to promote high yield. The farms are large and most of the work is done by machines like combines, harvesters, etc. Dairy farming. Dairy farming is another major industry. The belt of dairy farming extends from the Great Lakes to the Atlantic coast in the east. Tall, nutritious grasses of the eastern part are very suitable for dairies. Milk, butter, and cheese are produced in large quantities. Mining. Large mineral deposits of coal and iron ore have helped in developing a good network of roads, railways, and inland waterways. The velds. Temperate grasslands of Africa are called veld. Located in the eastern part of plateau of South Africa, they lie between the Drakensberg mountain in the southeast and Kalahari Desert in the northwest. Velds are rolling plateaus with varying heights ranging from 600 meter to 1100 meter. The highest part is known as Thai Veld. The height ranges between 1200 meter and 1800 meter. The middle veld ranges between 150 meter to 600 meter in height. The region is drained by rivers Limpopo, Sabi, Orange, and its tributaries. Climate, natural vegetation and wildlife, people. Climate. The influence of ocean is clearly felt in the climate here. As compared to the prairies, the velds experience moderate climate. Winters are cold and dry, while summers are short and warm. The climate gets cool as height increases. Rainfall is low and received mainly in summers. It decreases from east to west as winds from Indian Ocean give more rains in the eastern region. The area often faces drought conditions. Natural vegetation and wildlife. Vales are temperate grasslands. Grasses both tall and short, bushes and scattered trees form the vegetation cover of the area. Trees are restricted to the river banks and on higher slopes. Wildlife includes lions, leopards, cheetahs, giraffes, springbok, etc. But their numbers are dwindling because of reckless hunting and poaching. People. The chief occupations are animal rearing and mining. Agriculture is not an important activity because of scanty rainfall and poor soil. However, wherever soil is fertile and rainfall sufficient, crops like maize, wheat, barley, oats and potatoes are sown. Certain cash crops like tobacco, sugarcane and cotton are also grown. Animal rearing. Animal rearing is an important occupation. While sheep are reared in the cooler and drier regions, cattle rearing is practiced in warmer and wetter areas in the eastern part. Sheep are reared for wool. Dairy cattle products like butter and cheese are produced for export. Meat and leather are also obtained from the cattle reared here. Mining. Wealth has rich reserve of gold, uranium, diamond, coal and iron ore. Several mineral-based industries like iron and steel, metal products, machinery, railway equipment and diamond industries have come up in this region. Certain agro-based industries of the region are woolen textiles, food processing, dairy and leather products.